Hello guys, welcome to yet another video tutorial of Shopify. In this video tutorial, I will be telling you how you can test Shopify payments in a test mode. This is a great way to know the customer experience on your store. And let's move on to the video. We will go settings. For enabling test mode, we will go to settings, payments, and under the Shopify payments heading, manage. So we will go down and enable test mode. Shopify payments setup and configuration to simulate successful and failed transactions. So you will save here and you will see the sample store. So let's go check out. Add to cart. Proceed to checkout. We'll continue to shipping. Choose first one and we will enter the test card number. That is, I will mention the link of this site in the description down below. You can visit from there. So I will put here, and any random number on expiry date, any number on security, and pay now. So as you can see here, the order is confirmed. So this is the way to check out your customer experience. That's it for this video. Peace.